Mr. and Mrs. Raley, good afternoon. It's Bobby again from Lagrange Toyota. I want to take a minute here and just show you the rare piece I know you love. This is the limited edition SE Camry in Blizzard Pearl. So they don't make but just a few of these, and I just received one here on dealer trade, and definitely wanted to give you a glimpse. Obviously, the Blizzard Pearl exterior. You'll see here one of the changes. We've got these graphite or magnetic gray alloy wheels. They're really sharp, sporty looking here. We've got the sunroof up top. Again, the dark interior, the leather trim seating with the sport cloth. Now, being the limited edition here, it does have the sunroof, does have the navigation, the Entune app, Toyota smartphone app. That's going to be pretty well standard in this vehicle. Your Bluetooth wireless for your cell phone. Like I said earlier, it'll store all your contacts in there as well. And overall, just a really fun and sporty and great looking family vehicle. Ton of room, great fuel economy. You can see up here, that little gauge just needle all the way up here. That's your average fuel economy thus far, so just almost right at 30 miles per gallon on average right there. So they do extremely well. I'm very much looking forward to meeting you guys tomorrow, Friday, whatever day works out best for us. Please let me know, and looking forward to it. You guys have a great night. Thank you.